Without any further ado, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to address the media. Thank you, Excellency.
Asante sana. SG of our party and officials here at Jubilee Headquarters, members of the media, good evening, or is it afternoon? As has been said by the Secretary General, I was here yesterday, but when I arrived, the Secretary General had left. But we agreed that we would meet this afternoon on matters to do with the Jubilee Party. You're all aware that we have by-elections around the country, in Msambweni and in You're all aware that Jubilee is a national party of the country, and we believe that this is a party that is supposed to give every Kenyan from every part of Kenya, from every community, county and ward in Kenya an opportunity to express themselves, to participate in elections, to participate as party members, and that is a very cardinal and central principle that President Uhuru Kenyatta and I, when we forged with many other Kenyans to form the Jubilee Party, we wanted, and we now have, a national political movement that brings on board all Kenyans from all corners of our country. We believe then, as we do now, that the politics of Kenya will be better canvassed through national political parties rather than small ethnic or regional parties, and that is why we stand as Jubilee. I've had a meeting with the Secretary General and his officials here on the by-elections. They have briefed me on the decisions that have been made on the various positions. And I am satisfied with what they have done. I had a different view on the party fielding a candidate in Msambweni. I was of a different view, but because a decision has already been made and communicated, we will all stand by that decision that has now been communicated to the public, that those who had intentions of vying on Jubilee in Msambweni will now look for alternative avenues, maybe run as independents or in other political parties. But while we say that, I want to assure the membership of Jubilee across the country that the party is not being folded, and no impression should be created that by not fielding a candidate in Msambweni, that Jubilee is shrinking. In fact, Jubilee is expanding, and going forward, we will ensure that the party participates as it should in every election across the country, if there are any, through their theme. I have consulted with the Secretary General, and we will be having meetings to prepare ourselves to ready the party for party elections, the ones we postponed. As soon as we are through with the corona problems, we will then prepare the party so that the membership of Jubilee across Kenya can make a decision on our party officials, and we can then prepare the party for the future, for the coming elections and for the future. So I just wanted to pass that assurance, because I know with us not fielding a candidate in Msambweni, many people may draw the conclusion erroneously that Jubilee is walking away from the stage of fielding candidates. Otherwise, I want to say I'm happy to be here this afternoon. It's always a pleasure to be at the headquarters. Maybe we haven't been here often enough, and I think we are going to improve going forward on our presence at the party, so that we can make sure that there are adequate consultations on how we move the party forward. Asanteni sana.
Hello.